Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Hello, everybody. How's it going? New day, new opportunities, right? All right. Let's look into it. What happened? Look at Nasdaq. Wow. Have to update the chart, definitely. And look at gold. Gold all-time high. Nikos, good morning. Making history, guys. Making history. The problem with this is that not too many opportunities to go for. At these historical highs, it's just crazy. Crazy. We might gonna be having more opportunities on gold instead of Nasdaq. But anyway, I'm gonna put a buy side liquidity marker there, 58.8. The high is the same, so relative equal highs on gold. Anyway, let's go back. BD after midnight, good morning. I just want to show. I just went, okay, you just went short. All right. That's awesome. You're also short. J-Ho is short. Whoa, that means something. J-Ho, if you're short, then that is something to consider. Bass, good morning. Hey, how's it going, Bass? How's it going? So going short, right? All right. All right. Let's see. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let me update the charts. It's all okay. Greg, good morning. Let's go. High Mountain Trader short at 329. Jesus, you got the top. Woohoo! Sitting in 10 points profit. Nice, good job. Sitting in the 10 points of profit. That's a good job. Let me update the chart real quick. Just want to add my usual levels. Daily level. Look at this. Previous day high was actually here. Right there. Previous day high and previous day low was right there. No, not sell side liquidity. Previous day low. All right. Vat milled. Just missed an easy short on gold. Really? Oh, yeah, it was like kind of like a turtle soup or something almost. Prasad, hey, doing great. Online safety, good morning. Good to see everybody. How are you guys? So, yeah. Seems like, I don't know what happened. I guess some news came out. We're gonna have some news today. Also in the London session, so gotta be careful. You're fine, all right. Top of the consolidation was too good. Up there against that high. Yeah, obviously, yeah, I think it was tempting enough. I'm gonna put some markers here on gold as well. There. One over there and one over here. Almost perfect, but not too much. Daily midnight open. Previous day high. And let me add previous day low. Okay. It's amazing. Yeah. Let's see. I see gold shooting much higher. Oh, yeah. I think it's definitely bullish. This is relative equal high. So let me update this. Relative equal high. So I'm guessing we can go higher. Now let's look over the 1 hour chart real quick. There's a bearish order block to the left on gold. We can't do this on Nasdaq because we're at no man's land, so so nothing to do. No, that's a bearish order block. Bearish order block. Top, bottom, right. Bold, italic. All right, bearish order block 1 hour. Let's go. There. So definitely bullish on gold. I am going to be definitely bullish. Hey, Spy Girl. Greetings. Good to see you. Boom. Starting off up 600 for the day. Jeho is killing it. Come on. I don't know how he's doing it, but he's the algorithm. Good morning, Anna Edward. Hey, good morning. Good to see you. Well, checking the 5-minute. Nothing special, but gold is gonna go higher. And as for Nasdaq, well, it's just super hard to say. We have the next round number at 350, which could be a possible level to go for. Otherwise, we have the 400. I have to mark up these round numbers, these whole numbers, because it seems like that's what the market does nowadays. It's just going up, no stopping. Gold wants to go higher. What's happening? I'm keeping up. Actually, this morning I was walking again. So, but I have to go. I think I have to go to the gym because I think it would be better. Well, walking is good too, but you know, might be usage of some cardio machines would be also good. That would be also great. So look at gold. I think we're going higher. And if you look at the 1 hour, we have fair value gaps all over the place. We have another one right above this level. Next fair value gap is right there. I'm going to mark it as buy side liquidity. There. It's fine. 56 up to 58. Yeah, it's going to take it. Most likely. You're amazing. Was fine for the day. So Jeho was jumping into a short from the high. That was amazing. And I'm just waiting as usual. That's what I do. I wait. And what else? What else do we have? Okay, gold. I'm gonna wait for a structure before trying to take any possible long or short positions on gold. As for Nasdaq, I'm just scared to go long here. How far did it go from 237? It went 100 points. So considering that during the Asia session, I would say that's considerable. Good morning now. Vetmeal says I cut the short 3 ticks below the high. 3 Connies. Nice. Shy, hey, what's up? Just got off work. Everything's great. It seems like the markets just made new highs overnight in Asia session, and today we're gonna have some news. Also, Swiss news, European news in about 80 minutes. Actually, no. Yeah, 60, 80 minutes. Then we're gonna have more news here at 10, which is gonna be about 110 minutes. Pound news. We have a few things going on. 8:30, we're gonna have unemployment claims. So should be kicking enough volume to the market. I don't know. I'm not gonna go into a long position, although I think NQ just wants to go higher. But I mean, everybody. I think everybody is heavily shorting NQ. That's for sure. Yeah, Vetmild was in the position just before the stream started. I think he already caught the move. I'm very conservative and still have passed my eval. I'm so slow. Yeah, be careful. Morning, Big G. By the way, everyone, speaking of evals, I know everybody loves Apex. I know you guys love Apex. So they're just doing the $40 promotion, $40 for 150k, 250k, and 300k account. Everything is flat $40. And the lifetime activation fee is extended until the mid of August. So August 15, if you pass the account, you get the lifetime activation fee of $85. Just saying. So I know everybody loves them. So there you go. Apex dropping the ball again. And that's it. Crypto, hey there. No fast track link. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. I really have to do my research about them. I feel like gold may need more of a pullback. Yeah, could be. What you said played out perfectly, by the way. Yeah. Took 4 points. Nice, nice, nice. Very good. Very good, guys. Yeah, it's probably the best deal. $80, also $40 for the 300k account as well. If you want to go for the 300k account, that's also $40. Everything is $40 at Apex right now. Everything. I mean, the 50ks are cheaper, I think. Sorry, I'm just eating the rest of my breakfast. But I'm done. Let me see. Did we see just a structure shift? No. Not yet. Rhythmic is back to act. Full in New York Open. Be ready. I mean, I would say if you go with Apex, I'm going to purchase a few accounts for myself because that's a really good deal. I'm going to go with the 150Ks. I do like the 150. So what I would say is don't go all in or don't do anything at the market open because I think the servers are going to be over flooded with orders. Let's see how Rhythmic can handle the data. Hopefully they solve the issue. Rumor says that the issue has been solved. It's not an official confirmation, it's just a rumor circulating that Rhythmic has solved the issue. I will get a few after my payout. Nice. On my MyFundedFutures expert account, what are the negative rules? The only basic negative rule on MyFundedFutures expert account is on the funded account. You can do everything you want on the evaluation, but on the expert account, you cannot trade for the news, for the major news like NFP, CPI, FOMC. That's it. Otherwise, you can add to your losing positions. If I'm pronouncing right, Kajerol. Sorry. So you can do pretty much everything you want. The negative thing is that you cannot go with the major news. So you have to be flat 2 minutes before and after. So that's a 4-minute window at major news. Otherwise, you can do everything you want. Check out my latest video I uploaded about the expert account. There's pretty much everything in there. Bob and Smack, hey, good morning. Are your focuses mainly? Yeah, Nasdaq and gold. That is going to be the main focus. Sometimes I do going to look at ES. So, but mainly this, yes. Let me update myself. You guys, past 6 Apex account. Come on, Joey. There you go. Congratulations. No carbs. This actually, this what's it called? It's low carb. This is a low carb. What the name of this? I'm sorry, I have to translate it. This is a low carb scone. Is that a thing? Scone? I think it is. So this is especially from a bakery which has this low carb scone. Ah, very good. Yeah, hi Mountain Trader. The 150k has a sweet spot still. So Gabriel's here with the box. Hey, what's going on, Gabriel? Hebrew True says no more Apex for him. 150k is the best. Profit target TP is very good. Not as good at 50k. Yeah, Francis. Welcome, by the way. I'm sorry if I missed anything. Kevin, hey there. Apex can stuff it. Never again. All right. I'm so do it with Apex. Yeah, Mr. Shill. I guess I'm Mr. Shill. Joey, hey there. So we're waiting for some kind of an entry. What else? Gold is still just hovering up there. Definitely many trains today. Yeah. Hopefully we will have some price action. I really hope. I only eat meat and eggs. Crazy, but feel great. No, that's good, actually. Big G. Hi. You subscribe to Discord? I haven't checked it out yet. Sorry. Sorry. Sam, I'm sorry. I have to check the Stripe email. Thank you for letting me know, because sometimes, let me just check it. Sometimes I don't get the notification. Sorry about that. Oh yeah, I just yeah, I see you. I see you just subscribed. Great. I'm gonna do this manually. Give me a few minutes, all right? Give me a few minutes. Some H, I'm gonna send you the link, and you'll be able to join. I'm gonna be uploading. Just letting you guys know, the Discord is you know, it's $10, but it's not the biggest Discord, everybody. It's not like super huge, but we are sharing some setups, educational materials, entry models. I just updated some stuff over there, and I'm going to make more videos only for members on Discord and YouTube as well. So it's not a big member place, but we do have quite a few good people there. So I'm going to update I'm going to send you the email, Sam. Just give me a few minutes. Yes, exactly, Spy Girl. 50k Buleanox is 1750. Yes, exactly. Buleanox is also having a sale right now. Option 1 and option 2 accounts too. 70% off from option 2. Few 50ks, but once to oh, you blew it, Francis. We're still waiting for some entry, so that's why I'm just reading the chat. I'm gonna go real. Yes, just give me a few minutes. I'll be right there. Apex nose traders are like crack addicts, as they will continue to give the trader. Yeah. Traders are technically that's true. Traders are a little bit crack addicts. Have you ever tried trading with tick charts? Yes, I did, and actually that's not a good, not a bad thing. I mean, a few people also on the Discord. I know some who's trading tick charts, so we love that. Tilt indicator TOPSTEP X is great. Awesome. Awesome. Zabak, hey there. Hey, what's up? All right, I think I updated everything. Yeah, Buleanox is 5 days, but you can do it in 1 day. You just have to flip the account for 4 days. So if you pass it in 1 day, it's fine. You just have to flip it with 1 micro, for example, for 4 days. I know it's a stupid rule, but it is what it is. But you can pass it in 1 day. There's no consistency at Buleanox. Also, MyFundedFutures, you can pass in 1 day any of their accounts, just saying. Francis. What are the rules on the funded account? Nothing, basically. No rules. So far, Buleanox has no rules, not about news trading, not about bracket orders, DCAing. None of those rules yet exist at Buleanox. I don't know if they're going to do anything about that, but currently at this moment, as we speak, there is no rules on the funded account. You can do everything you want. You can DCA the hell out of Buleanox. It's up to you. No rules so far about that. Yeah, exactly, Zabak. Buleanox is what Apex used to be before the rules. You can do everything on their funded account. You can DCA your brain out at Buleanox. Yeah. Even if it was $1, Zabak is not going to purchase Apex. Yeah, I guess some people got pissed off by Apex. That's understandable. All right. Let me see. Just a second. I am just trying. Trying to check something. All right. All right, I sent it. All right, what's happening? Yeah, Buleanox, as I said, no. Some H, I just sent the email to you. Just an update. I sent it manually. It should have been taken care of automatically, but anyway, I sent it manually. So, Buleanox is not working for Mac. Well, the only thing you can do is install a virtual computer, Windows virtual machine, and then you can use NinjaTrader or Quantower. I know a few people are using that kind of method, so just install a Windows virtual machine. That's the thing you can do. And you can run. Actually, yeah, no, they don't have TradeAwait. That's the thing. So Buleanox doesn't have TradeAwait yet. TradeAwait has a web platform to trade, so that would be good for Mac users, but otherwise you have to go with virtual machine. Yeah, people want to DCA a lot. Yeah. Understandably, I know it's a technique. I accept it. That's the thing. But eventually, DCAing is going to blow your account. That's a scientific fact. I know some of you guys disagree, but time will prove. DCAing will blow your account eventually. All taken is your yeah, trader weight is not working at Buleanox. You're welcome, Sam. You're welcome. Marco, good morning. Good to see you. Yeah, DCA works for a few people. There's always a few exceptions, which exceptions are always good. A few people can master DCAing, but gotta be really on the edge of your game, because you know that could be dangerous. Buleanox uses Rhythmic Trader, yes. Rhythmic Trader Pro. Oh, Rhythmic Trader Pro has web application. That's true. Some age, that's true. I think Rhythmic Trader has a web application. I know it's not user friendly, but if you use, for example, TradingView for charting, then you can just push the button on the web application, I think. So that's a middle way to go. Push the buy and sell button on the web page. I don't know the details, but you can check that. Tom Sabo 1 for the option 1 accounts. Tom Sabo 2 is for the option 2 accounts. So the option 1 accounts is basically the copycat of Apex. The option 2 account is the copycat of TopStep. There's an end of day trailing with the option 2 and the daily stop out level. But at Buleanox, the daily stop out level is $1,100, and the overall drawdown is a little bit bigger than TopStep. It's $2,500. So the daily stop out level is $1,100. That's the main difference. So that's why it's a little bit more expensive. I think it's $52 with the promotion with Buleanox, but that's it. Option 2 is the copycat of TopStep accounts, basically. It's a soft breach, by the way. It's not a hard breach if you break the daily loss limit. With Buleanox, it's a soft breach. You can continue the next day. That's a good thing, actually. That's a good thing. So option 2 promo is Tom Sabo 2. What is considered DCA? J-Ho! You know that, you know. DCA is for averaging long-term. Yeah, exactly. There you go. Rhythmic app on the phone is very easy. Oh, there you go. So you can have your phone open with the buy sell button. That's also a way to go. I didn't know that it has a phone application. I thought, anyway. Yeah, so Zabak, I think maybe you're one of the few who can master DCAing, but most of the people or traders or whoever tried that, I don't know anybody who has constant payouts and constant profits. Maybe a few profits here and there, but overall many accounts got blown with DCAing. Anyway, I hope that it works out for you. So after the promotion is no Spygirl, it's lifetime. Good question, Spygirl. It's lifetime. I forgot to write that in the promo. It's lifetime, $90. So even if you blow the accounts, I would say keep the subscription, because that way you will know that you're going to have a rebill with the reset at the next month with the same discount price. I also kept my, so we had sales, you know, previous month and before. I kept my subscriptions because I also have a few blown accounts, evals, and I kept the subscriptions. So I will surely know that that I will have a discount price for the next reset. No more than 4 contracts total. Okay, so there you go. You have a proper risk management then, Zabak. That's good. You go with a proper risk management, and that's how you should do it. Anyway, Buleanox so far doesn't have any kind of rules against it yet. Yet, I'm saying this. Yet, because who knows what future it will bring. But yeah. Hebrew True says DCA works for him. That's good. There you go. So we have a few examples who are doing good with DCA. All right. Yeah, you pay $17.50 every month, one time only until you pass. The activation fee on Buleanox is, let me show you. Buleanox, come on. Buleanox activation fee. Buleanox activation fee is $148 for the 50K, 143. It's a lifetime. There's no monthly activation. So, and 248 for the 100K. Don't go with the 150K and the 250 because the activation fee is going to kill you. It's $500 to activate and $900 for the 250K. It's insane. So don't go with the 150 and the 250. The maximum you should go with is 100. The optimal is the 50K in this case, but the 100K has a similar price at Apex. So yeah, that's it. There you go. I know, I'm saying there's many people who likes the DCA, nothing wrong. If you can handle it, if you know proper risk management, then yeah, that's it. Look at this. This is, wow. I'm just checking if it would retrace all the way back down. But I'm not the fan of the idea. I'm not going to jump into any position, especially not on gold right now. But it's going to take out that relative equal highs. Just measuring. And I still don't know what what this is going to do here at NQ. I guess we should be waiting for a possible retest of the Asia lows. I don't know. Take profit trader is the cheapest option after you reach you factor. Yeah, Damon, that's true. Take profit trader has no activation fee, and the 50K account is $102. The only downfall of take profit trader, which you can, if you go for base hits, you can handle it, is if you breach the daily loss limit, then you blown the account. That's a hard breach. That's the main problem. But otherwise, I think everything is awesome with their rules. So that's the only thing you have to be aware of. Go with the 50K because the price is still good. You have time. I would go with the 50K if I were you. 25K is good too. I had 25K accounts, but you know, I think the 50K is all right. You have enough cushion. You can use micros, whatever. I think the 50K is optimal in between. If I would have to choose between 25K and 50K. Trade Day basically killed themselves. Did they? Oh, yeah, let me check. Oh yeah, oh look at that. Is this rhythmic, J-Ho? This is rhythmic, right? Okay, so J-Ho sent this. This is an application for Rhythmic. Okay, so this is the Rhythmic application. I'm just sharing it. I hope it's not a problem. So this is the Rhythmic application. So you can press buy, sell if you want to, I guess. That's it. Super simple. Jose Rodriguez, how does Take Profit Trader pay from day one? If you, I mean, you can, if you reach the threshold, you can technically take payouts from day one, any day. You can take out money any day above the threshold. There's one thing, there's a small penalty. If you take out less than $250, they're going to take down $50 from the payout. So for example, if you want to take out $200, you're going to only get $150 for your account. Above $250, so if you want to take out $260, it's free, or $251, there is no fee that is going to be deducted as a penalty. So just gotta make sure, if you don't want to lose $50 for nothing, to have oh yeah, J-Ho, short paid, nice. So gotta make sure you take out more than $250, and that's it. Otherwise, you can take out money any single given day from Take Profit Trader. That's their best thing. That's their marketing sketch as well. If you build up your cushion and you build up your account, you can basically use them as an ATM machine. And that's my goal with them too, with Take Profit Trader. If you build the account up, it's just an ATM machine. If I would be making like a day above $250, I would definitely be clicking it out ASAP. I would be withdrawing money as fast as I can. I mean, $250 for a day or $300 for a day, whatever. It's not a bad thing. It seems like minor structure shift on NQ. Not really something that I like, but it does going down, leaving a fair value gap, it seems like it. Congratulations, J-Ho, by the way. Also, MyFundedFutures expert account doesn't have a activation fee, just saying. No rules. I mean, really, no rules. Only one rule on the funded account. You don't trade for the news. That's it. For major news, FOMC, CPI, PPI, NFP. That's it. That's the only thing. Otherwise, no consistency, no withdrawal cap, no daily drawdown limit, end of day trailing drawdown. Payout policy is very good, bi-weekly payouts, and if you request the payout, the amount is going to be instantly deducted from your account, so you can continue to trade. You don't have to wait 10 days until they get the money from your balance. So, I mean, get the profit. No, I'm sorry. There's a 5-day minimum. That's a good question. 5-day minimum. But you can pass it 1 day too. There's no consistency rule on the evaluation account. You can YOLO it if you want to in 1 day, but you have to flip the account for 4 more days. So, for example, with 1 micro, you push the button. It's a stupid rule. Yes, I don't know why they left it there, because everybody is going to just, you know, flip it for 4 days if they want to pass it in 1 day, but it is what it is. 5-day minimum. Can you build a buffer and keep building it more? Of course you can. Of course. There on the expert account, and there is no withdrawal cap or consistency rule, so you can build as high as you want it. And the activation fee is included in the price. So I know it's a little bit more expensive upfront cost, but it's in the price. What's the minimum balance to Buleanox to get payout? On the 50K account, So at Buleanox, the payout policy is a little bit more strict, not that hard. The minimum payout is $1,000 at Buleanox. That's the minimum. But the threshold on the 50K account is $2,600. So you do the math. You have to add $1,000 to get the minimum payout, but you are required to leave the minimum threshold. You can take out the threshold, but then you have to close the account. So before you ask, yes, you can take out the safety threshold, but they're going to terminate your account, I think. Yeah. Yes. So that means $3,600. The short answer is you have to build it up to $3,600 to be able to withdraw $1,000 at Buleanox, which is, I think it's absolutely doable, especially if you're not doing crazy things. I'm trying to measure this move. Yeah, you need to build up $3,600 and you can withdraw $1,000 from that because you're required to leave $2,600 cushion, safety threshold on the account. I might go in for a short here, I don't know. I might gonna go in for a short on this Buleanox account, maybe, I don't know. Maybe not just on the Buleanox account. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Let's see. I think I have an Apex account. Yeah, I do. What would be my 316? 316. 316. I'm gonna put in a sell limit. Just give me a second. I'm putting on a limit order. Yeah, my sell limit order is at 316. You know what? I'm gonna modify it to 15.75 just in case. And yeah. So input 15.75, stop loss 23.75. There you go. And that's my stop. I highly doubt that I'm gonna get tagged into this one. We have a fair value gap, but also I want to see price spiking up to optimal trade entry. So that's what I'm looking at. I will let you guys know if I'm gonna get tagged in. Second phase challenge, yeah. I know, I don't know. There's no issues I know of. Trade away this morning. If you have 50K account on MyFunded and you have 60K, does that mean you now have 10K drawdown before you blow the account? No, you just have to. There's no daily drawdown limit on MyFundedFutures. So if you, oh yeah, sorry, yeah, on 60K. Sorry, I was mistaking it. Yes, exactly. Kajarol, exactly. If you're up to 60K, you have 10K before you blow the complete account. Exactly. Sorry, yes, you are correct. Seems like I'm not gonna get tagged into this one. Are you planning to cover before? Sure. Sure, let's go over of what do we see on Nasdaq as well. All right, so on Nasdaq we are at all-time high, as you see, absolutely historical high. Even if I would go to the daily, weekly, whatever, there's nothing to see here on this higher time frames, right? So there's just nothing to see, absolutely nothing. And that's why I'm not looking to go long at this point. Although the market is super bullish, I would like to see some kind of a retracement. I mean, sorry, pullback in this case to go lower. Now, what I think, there are some good levels still. We have the yellow line, which is the V as Victor, VWAP, VWAP down there. So we have the VWAP at 250, which I don't really care about, but I know many of you guys are. We also have some Asia lows down there pretty far, and we have some good fair value gaps here on the 1 hour at 283. I would consider them as kind of good targets, especially this one, because this is a bullish order block starting at 262 on the 1 hour. Now this I would consider a bullish order block at 262. At this point here, I would say there's a good zone to target. Actually, that's the 15-minute, but who cares? Still on the 1 hour as well. That's a 15-minute. Guys, I'm still sleeping. Anyway, that's an order block starting at 263. I would be looking price to go down into that area as a pullback, as a healthy pullback. On the 1 hour, look at this swing. If I put my fib here, I like to go for the 50% retracement level, which is also at 280-ish area. So yes, I would like to see this gray area to be repriced or taken again. So that's the idea. And what else? Right now, this is why I'm having a limit order for this short. What I'm anticipating in this case is that I'm gonna get tagged in, and hopefully we will continue to go down into that area. That is what I'm hoping. We had a structure shift here with the displacement, not the perfect one, but still it does count. So I would say let's continue down. If I'm gonna get tagged into this trade, I'm gonna let you know, definitely. So give me a second, just a quickie phone call. I'm sorry, everyone. It was my father. he just needed some help. So anyway, sorry. I have the update. So let me cover. I think I'm in this trade. Yes, I got tagged into the trade. Let me see. My TP is gonna be down at 325. Just give me a second. Which one is this? No, this is not it. Yeah, this is it. All right. So this is my trade, only with micros, so nothing special. And hopefully we will go down to that 300 level. My TP is not exactly at 2 risk reward, but 300.25. That would be my TP. So let me see what you guys are texting. Oh yeah, didn't cover. I thought to cover the analysis. Yeah, so I'm in this. You blow the account. What happened? Oh guys, I have to update with the chat. Might not be able to answer everything here because I have to watch for the trades. How long is the new 50K? I think the promo is until the 9th of July. So for at least 3 weeks. For the 9th of July. So for quite a few time. So they really want to pull back the people. I just signed the Buleanox 25K account. Nice. I gotta charge the original price because I do not see the discount. What? You should definitely get a support ticket, Andy. They're going to send it back to your card, 100%. They're gonna take care of you. But support is only available most likely at New York time, Andy. Always make sure to click back and forth between the accounts to let the at the checkout page it will be updating. I know it's a little glitchy sometimes, but it happened before with someone else. Raise a support ticket and they're going to send it back to your card. Worst case scenario, you can always ask your bank to recharge your card. So ask for a chargeback or what it's called. I don't know. So and did you see a promotional code? If not, oh yeah, you have to add the promo code. You have to add. There's a little area there that you apply the coupon code. You have to add it. I don't see the discount rate field just like it, but you add the coupon code, you go to the checkout page, and on the next page you should be seeing the discount. Sorry this happened, but they should be charging it back to you. No issue. Reimburse it, yeah. If they don't do it, your bank is gonna do it for you, 100%, because it's still a fresh transaction, and transactions go through with MasterCard and Visa. You have like at least a few days, 2 or 3 days maybe, to ask your bank to reimburse the charge. So raise the ticket. If you don't get an answer, just call your bank. It's gonna be fine, 100%. So I'm in this short. Let's see what happens. I mean, it's a little dangerous to go short because obviously the market is super bullish, and as you can see, it's going up. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Please, if you can help out the stream, push the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'm very happy we have people around, and thank you. And if you like to support, you can use any of my codes. I know I don't have a custom code with Apex, but You can copy paste it from the chat or below at the description. EBPVUZHX. I know, it's crazy. I asked for custom codes like 6 times and no answer, unfortunately, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Hopefully I will get one soon. Okay, sitting in this trade, as I said, it's a risky one. This on the 5-minute is actually a bullish order block. That's why I think it could be a good target. Let's see how it goes. Also, let me check on gold just for a minute. Okay, so gold made a new high. That's interesting. And I would be waiting now for the next move. I would not be surprised if you know, NQ would just go way higher. Way higher. I mean, nothing is stopping Nasdaq. Nothing. That's not a great short. I'm a little bit late on this one. I did not consider this as a valid structure shift, although it did shift the structure. But even if it did, if I zoom it out here, I mean, even that it did, I mean, yeah, almost. My optimal trade entry would maybe would have been tagged, but for me, that's not a shift. Now this one here, finally, it had a displacement lower, and we still have the 5-minute order block that could be broken during the day. So that was my reason for that. All right, let's see. Hey, Gamecraft, how you doing? London coming in, yes. Market open is coming in, so this is a little bit dangerous. So let's be careful. Trying to follow the plan. Trying to. How you doing, Gamecraft? Hope you had some good trades going on. All good? Nice. All right. All right. I'm just trying to follow my plan. That's all I do. I know there must be better trades than this, but but this is my plan. And yes, I also have losing streaks, but hopefully the winners will be bigger than the losses. That's what we're aiming for. All right, London is about to open in a few seconds. Let's see what goes on. All right, London is open. It's a very risky short, just saying. I'm gonna take a quick look on gold. All right, nothing. Excuse me. So let's see what's going on here. All right, all right. Oh, I see we have more than 100 people. Awesome. Thank you so much for watching. Everybody's super awesome. Don't miss out the giveaway, by the way. There's a giveaway form in the pinned message up there. We're gonna do... I try to do one every week. If you fill out the form with email and name, you can also earn some points with this online application. And we're gonna do the pick on Tuesday, I think. And it's gonna be at least a $50 prize or higher. So you will be able to purchase evaluation accounts with MyFundedFutures. Even I'm going to extend it to MyFundedFutures price range at the starter account. So TopStep, Apex, you know, most likely BuleNox. Take Profit Trader is $100. I'll see. We'll see. John, good morning. ES also looking good for short. Let me check on ES real quick while we're at it. Yeah, ES is also looking nice. No structure shift that I like particularly, but you know, it's looking good. Gold is holding this level. Unfortunately, my Nasdaq trade is going against me. Not a good thing, but it is what it is. I'm the nicest guy, even though I'm not that profitable, so I'm still finishing my breakfast. At least I'm the nicest. What about US oil? We can check on it while we wait. I'm not trading oil, but so on the 5-minute consolidation, I have to look at the 1 hour. This is futures. On this 1 hour chart, it looks like a bullish flag if I zoom out. It looks bullish, but I have no entry here. If I look at the CFD chart, is it a CFD? US oil CFD? Almost the same. I would say it looks more bullish going into this fair value gap, but no entry. It took the lows, swapped the lows here, so that's good. No major structure shift. I would wait. I would wait on this one for now. Oh darn it, my NQ trade. It's not looking good. I'm telling you guys, it's unstoppable. Unstoppable to go with NQ. To try to short this one, super risky. I really thought that we're gonna go down to the midnight levels. It's not gonna happen right now. Then it manipulate this consolidation, then it runs the other way. Yeah, we'll see. So currently, it's not looking that good, but you know, we're not gonna cry about it. Where is this account? This account is currently this one. So I'm a little bit down on this, not too much, but I didn't want it to see a trade above this 323 level, because then it could be going higher. I was really hoping that we will take out the 5-minute order block. It's not doing that. So it is what it is. After this retracement, I was expecting a sharp move back down. Gizno, hey, check the 30-minute. All right, they just need more liquidation, then it will drop, trust me. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, regardless of the plan. Yeah, look at this. Oh man, I'm gonna get taken out. I'm gonna check the 30-minute chart as well. I don't really use to check the 30-minute, but yeah, let's look at this. It did a pullback, a healthy pullback, that's for sure. You know, even if I look the 30-minute or the 1 hour, and if I would put the fib tool here. Okay, I got out from the position. Got taken out. So I would like to see this still go down to the 280s. Damn it, damn it. I'm on a losing streak since yesterday. I'm on a losing streak. Why is that? Why does market don't want me to profit finally? Why is this happening? Have to update the stats. It's not looking good. We're getting more losses here for June. Losses are piling up real fast. 17. Jesus, only 56% profitable. That's not good. I'm down. 56% profitability. Although the risk to reward is always, I'm trying to keep it higher, but this one just didn't go as planned. I was watching the ES and my I have my other screen. Yeah, ES went higher, but the entry model was playing out on Nasdaq quite good. But, you know, even if I would like to go long on Nasdaq, I don't know for how long is this gonna go. I don't know. It's kind of an issue. The only thing I see here is we have a structure shift, so even if we would jump into a long, yeah, this one can target the 350 and higher. Could be a possibility, but still have to wait the next candle, how it's going to close. Not this one, at least the next one. At least for the next one. It tapped into the OT of the long position. Oh yeah, which time frame is that? Depending on which time frame you're using, right? On the 5-minute. If you go with the order block, it definitely OTE to go long. If you like the order block, actually it was a structure shift on the 5-minute to the upside. Looking at gold. All right, let's see. ES testing the highs. Oh yeah, it does. It actually does. It's going. We are making history every day, guys. Every day is history. Every single day is history here. Well, we'll see. We're just gonna wait. I have to wait for this candle currently to show a possible continuation higher, maybe. We had a structure shift here. I don't know. I have to check my copy trader too. I have to check my copy trader. There you go. Oh, it's not set up yet. All right. Okay. All right. Let's wait 2 more minutes for this. Still in short NQ, but not looking good. Yeah, I don't know what to make of this. It seems like it's just want to make a new high. Who knows? Maybe it wants to go for the 350. It's a little bit frustrating, to be honest, but NQ is unstoppable. It seems like. Gold edging lower a little bit. If NQ tags, it will be sync and we should keep going. Yeah, I think so too. I mean, this here looks like, I can imagine that NQ is heavily under the short. I mean, everybody wants to go short on NQ, just as I did. And that's why they're gonna squeeze them as high as they can. Hard to tell. Also, look at this. 309, 329. There's gonna be news anyway. Just measuring again some targets here. We're gonna have some news. Swiss news. I don't know how much is that going to affect everything, but you know, if this one retraces back down to OTE after the close, we might see a final push to make one more high again. It's very hard to say. Yeah. It's just going. Keeps going without any. So I would be considering a final push after this displacement to the highs, but I think it's gonna push without pulling back to that level. Nevertheless, I put on a limit order at 16.50 just to see what happens, again with a small position. I don't know why I'm trying to go this aggressive, but yeah, it's going to push. If it takes out that high, I don't really think. Yeah, there you go. It's going. There you go, and we have it. I'm deleting my limit order. Okay, just made a new high. It's low probability from this point. I don't really like to go into a long here because I don't know how far it goes. Maybe we go to the 400s. Who knows? Nobody knows. $36.75. There are 100. Oh, okay. So that filled. Low of the day is already in. Could be. That's why I'm looking at the 400. What if this one wants to go for the 400s? It's pretty funny how it uses your entry. Yeah. As a resistance. Exactly. And I'm telling you guys, market makers are seeing my levels. That's why this is. It's because of the market makers. They're watching the stream. I know. It's the market makers. They want to use my stops. Just past the Bulenox account from yesterday. Hey, J-Ho, come on. Oh, where's my soundboard? I wanted to give you an applause. Congrats. That's how you do it. I believe you. I mean, you can send it. Definitely post it out there. Congrats there. That is awesome. That is awesome. Let's go. All right. Celestial Nightcat VODs. Hey, the FOMO MG. I was reading gold waiting on something and missed that. Don't worry. The FOMO is with us all the time. We cannot really do anything about that. Now this move is interesting because it shifted here and it shifted here. Most likely this candle is going to close higher. I mean, so far it looks like it as this. Maybe not. If this candle is going to close higher than 33.75, then we might have to look for the 400s. Post it in Discord. Let me check. Oh ho ho. That's J-Ho's account. There you go. $1,675. That's how you do it. That is how you do it. Nice. You made my first buy on your PA account, $25. That's awesome. That's great. That's great. And you know, it's always a good feeling that you have whatever profit is profit, even if you exit with break even. You know, that is still a winning trade. All right, this candle closed higher, so this means we could see more continuation. Gold is stuck there. So what's the 15-minute doing? The 15-minute still needs a little bit more time. What a move. What a move. We have the 350 level up there. I'm not sure I want to go in too long here. I don't know. The problem is, let's see. Let's check this 5-minute swing. OTE would be down there, which means even if I put the trade a little bit higher than that, yeah, I would like to see 3, maybe. You have to go above the 50s with that trade. I don't know. I'm still trying to decide. I'll see what price action does here. If it wants to go lower, then I say all right. Yeah, let's wait. We just can't do anything. Gold is stuck here. Let me check on ES. Oh yeah, same thing, same issue, same boat. It does look bullish still. Oh, I didn't. I thought that we're gonna go down, reprice that area. This just wants to continue higher. We're gonna have to wait more. And trade minis. I have 200k expert accounts with MyFundedFutures. Nice. Yeah. That's a good job there, J-Ho. That gives you the most freedom that you can get. Yeah, the 25k, you really have to be on the edge of your seat with the minis, because you just have to be careful. You can get easily wiped out from the account with minis. Saya, hey, no shorting at all-time high. Oh yeah, I thought that we're gonna at least do a healthy pullback. It didn't go well. Now it seems like it's unstoppable. Swiss news is out in a little bit more than 5 minutes. 1 hour busy was suspicious. Yeah, all-time high. Yeah, all-time highs are definitely DCA'd to NQ loans contracts on London Open. Nice. That's how you do it. DCAing. It's difficult to catch pullbacks at the right spot. Yeah. Do you have to trade every day with my funded futures, and can you scale in if you're down? You don't have to trade every day, but the question is good. There is one thing which is in the fine print. You have to push the button once every week on your funded account. That's a rule. So you have to trade once every week, but not every day. So even in between, for example, on the expert account, in between two payouts, if you have a very good day, an exceptionally good day, and you make some good profits, then you should be able to pull out the profits, of course. And you just have to make sure that you push the button at least once every week. Because there were someone who got denied for the payout because he made a huge trade on the news, by the way, and he was just waiting for 2 weeks for the payout, and MyFunded Futures denied him. So he put on a video on YouTube that he got denied, and then they made a deal that I think he made like, I don't even know, 20k, 17k, I don't know. And they agreed that MyFunded Futures paid him like 10k or something like that. I don't know if he takes down the video, and so that's what happened. Swiss rate is expected to remain unchanged. The thing is that if you look the economics, that's a different ball game. If we trade like that, I think. Gold is still going higher. Relative equal highs has been taken. What's the next buy side liquidity? Oh yeah, that's it. That's a fair value gap. That's a 1 hour fair value gap. I'm gonna write it there, that this is a 1 hour fair value gap. All right. NQ going higher still. Let's forget this trade. No stopping the NQ. How can we trade this if we don't know where it's going? We can't. We can't. There's no way to trade this properly. Historical high. I mean, I would be. I mean, look at the daily. I would be much more glad if we were somewhere down here in this area. That would be so much better. But, you know, we're stuck here. We are doomed to trade this. $100 contracts at 50. Yeah, I was suspecting that because, let me check the book map. 350 is a whole number. Traders like it. News are coming out in 20 seconds. And after the Swiss news, we're going to be having another Swiss news and pound news later on. All right. News is out. That's it. That was it. Look at this. Wow. That's why this is just untradeable. Untradeable, guys. We're going for 400. Unbelievable this morning. Absolutely unbelievable. $360 is about 100 more. Yeah, look at that. It spiked everything out. Now I'm definitely sure I don't want to go long here. Not without building up some kind of a structure. NQ is reaching this 100 last resisting orders. Yeah. Somebody is sitting on a buy button. Yeah, they're sending it to heaven. This is untradeable, guys. Really, sorry to say that, but it really is. It's not something that you can trade. That's why I would like to see more action on gold. But this here, absolutely no good. I'm gonna leave that there as my loss. Greg short from 64.75. Ooh, nice. I told y'all if NQ made a new high, it would be in sync. Oh, Doron Green, thank you for subscribing. Thank you. Welcome to the channel. Good to see you. Good to see you. Miners are bad to trade this on. Yeah. Don't do it on the PA account if you get nervous about it. As yesterday we were talking about it with Methodical, you have to be dead inside if you want to trade properly. No feelings, just let it go. These are just numbers on a screen. As on the picture Matthew McConaughey said in Wolf of Wall Street, it's all just fugazi, fairy tale, it's fairy dust. Fugazi. It's non-existent. It's just, imagination. It's not even there. So, and it really is not, because it's just a simulated account. Still profit. There you go. Anyway, don't forget Apex just giving away all of the accounts for $40, even the 300k accounts. $40 for the 150k, 250k, and the 300k accounts. Everything for sale for $40, and lifetime activation fee is $85. Doesn't get any cheaper than that. That's it. That was the commercial. And by the way, if you haven't done it already, please subscribe to the channel. Also, it's free to do. Push the like button. That really helps me out. Thank you so much, everybody. You guys are awesome. Everybody's awesome. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, the Apex prices are really down now. They really put them down. I don't know. I think they're trying. I think they might realize that they lost a lot of clients because of the new rules. So they want to make it up somehow. You're up 900. You were down 4K. You're up 900. Dude, what a swing. You know. That is a nice swing. Congrats. You know, from 4K drawdown up to 900. I think you should not touch that account for the day. The rapidity. I think you should put away that account. You know. Why the big sale at Apex at the top of the market? Most people don't know about shorting. Well, I tried to short, but I had technically an entry, so my entry model was present actually. But I understand I should have taken this entry up there. That would have been better. Anyway, huge spike, and let's check the numbers real quick. Next number is gonna come at, oh, that's gonna be the press conference. Okay, press conference in 23 minutes. That could be also interesting for the stock market. Looking at gold, possible targets on gold too. Bullish order block, might want to go down. I don't know. Proud of you. For who? I hope not for me. Okay, right. I didn't read that. Yeah, that's actually that's a very good achievement. You know, from negative 9K, sorry, 4K up to 900. Wow, that's like a lot. That's a lot. Maybe my heart's racing. I didn't know we was gonna have news like that. Yeah, yeah, nice move from the rapidity. Yeah. Hello, Teacher FX. What's up? Drop a like and share. Yeah, thank you. So yes, it is a huge achievement, definitely. Yeah, swap accounts, I would say so too. Look to trade a different account, I would say. Let's see what's happening. Just past 150k eval. Jesus, Jack, I want to give you an applause as well. Congratulations. That's great. Everybody's moving forward except I am. I'm just having a loss here while waiting for the trade setup. Gold is, well, it's not breaking lower. Nice move there, Jack. That's amazing. I keep hesitating. Learned a lot from it. Don't worry about it. The thing is that, you know, more setups are always going to be around. We're always going to see setups all over the place. So I think there's nothing to worry. That's the beauty also with day trading, because you're always going to see your setups. Excuse me. New opportunities are always around the corner. That's why we like it. Looking at this gold. Yeah, hesitating, that's very good, High Mountain Trader. Hesitating is actually better than FOMOing into the trade. Yeah. At least you are protected. I mean, your profits and your capital is protected. And that's all that matters. You guys must heard multiple times that the biggest, one of the biggest, if maybe the biggest goal for the trader is to protect the capital. Of course, to make profits, yes, absolutely, that's a goal. But the biggest goal is to protect your capital, your trading capital. Which, of course, is a hard thing, because we always want to be in the trade. We always want to take the next opportunity. And, you know, that could be a problem. Hey, the celebrity of the day, of the hour. Is it a man? Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No. It's Methodical Man. Man. What's up, Methodical Man? What's going on? It just keeps going up. There's no stopping. I don't know what the hell. I don't know what's going on either. I entered the short here prematurely. Actually, it wasn't premature because it lined up with my entry and I had good targets. So, you know, I just played out my plan. But, you know, I just there's no stopping this. There's no stopping. I feel like this is the case like catching a falling knife, but to the opposite way. So if I flip it, it's like catching the falling knife. There you go. Nasdaq, trying to catch the falling knife. I tried to go long, but with this wick, I would normally not go long. So there you go. I flipped the Nasdaq chart. Now we're looking for longs. Creating a trap. Yes. I bet a few of you guys didn't know that we can flip the chart. So we can long Nasdaq now. Tough to short and tough to long. Exactly. Gold is looking to go lower. It actually shifted structure. Anyway, let's put this back here. The thing is, gold seems like it made a shift, but it's not a perfect shift. That's why I'm just looking at it, but it's not a perfect shift. That's my problem. Not something that I like. OTE level would be okay, but it's just not that perfect. Anyway. Let me search for a different account or I can trade with here. All right, that would be good. I don't know. Maybe if NQ would, you know, shift structure like here, maybe. But the problem is the long wick there. What's gold doing? This is not a perfect structure shift. Let me check it on the Forex. Well, with the grain of salt, as they say, might be not exactly the perfect shift, but you know, I don't know. I don't like it. I don't want to force it. After a month of waiting, I finally I saw that on the Discord. I saw that. You know, because, you know, it popped up on my Discord, the alert, like, what the hell is Methodical up to? And I saw what you just wrote there. And I said, man, this guy, he's having the life. Receiving the custom code and everything. I just counted this morning, and I sent 6 emails, 6, since I started trading with Apex about the custom code. 6. What can I do? Nothing. 6 emails. Those 6 emails, there are actually 2 support tickets, and 4 of those emails are, you know, just asking again on the same support ticket that, hey guys, you know, what's up? Nothing. Nothing. Okay, gold is going lower. Look at this. Oh, gold is dropping. Gold is dropping. Just got to. Who's the right person? If you know someone, Methodical Man, let me know. I'm gonna write an email. I just don't know what to do at this point. I see other streamers who just started streaming. They have custom codes and I don't. Anyway. My code is definitely a custom code. EBPVUZHX. Nobody has the same, I can tell you. It's unique. Easy to remember. Anytime. Yeah, I know, but I don't know why. Anyway, it's alright. I guess I made it this far. I'm gonna be alright with this. I'm gonna be okay with this. Look at gold. Man, what is happening with gold? Now, after this is a shift. Now it's definitely a shift. It's undeniable. I'm gonna put a fib tool here because now this is a valid shift for me. And because of that, I knew it's gonna go down. $15. Okay, also shifting. Nice. This is just dropping like crazy. Also, look at that. One more shift on NQ. Structure shift. This is a structure shift, just saying. The thing is that the OTE level would be way up there, so I'm not taking it. Yeah, thought about stream trading. There you go, Therapidity. I'm not brave enough for that. You don't have to be brave. You just have to start it somewhere. You know what Nike says, just do it. That's what they say, just do it. That's what you do. That's the thing you do. You just do it. I don't think I like this trade here. I mean, this small fair value gap. Don't really like it. Look at gold. Optimal trade entry right there. Is it gonna go higher? Who knows? Gonna wait. Okay, this one has repriced, which is good. It will go off of the 50 of gold. Might be a pullback, then bounce up. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. If this is a healthy structure shift, I would expect another healthy push to the OTE. And then we will see what's going to happen. Let's go. Right now, I would like to see a structure forming on Nasdaq. And after we have that structure, then we'll see if it wants to go back down for a really good pullback finally. I don't think it will. It's just so bullish like this. Let's see. Nothing. Nothing so far. I'm thinking it will go off. Yeah, I just read that. Yeah, so. And now I want the next candle to form a little bit higher to have a swing low here on NQ. And then that could be a possible structure. As of gold, I have no idea. We have the press conference from the Swiss National Bank in a few minutes. Shai Sosa says 4 points off that candle. Oh. 62 level from the low to the high of the 5 minute. Yeah, almost. Almost. In 6 minutes pre-market will open, just wait. Yeah. Definitely volume is gonna get injected. We're gonna see some volume in the market coming in a few minutes. So let's wait for it. What about silver? I don't really trade silver. I don't even have the market in my markets listed, so I never check on silver. all we can do is wait. At least gold made the structure shift. Who knows what it's going to be enough for. We still have time from the kill zone. I mean, from the kill zone. So, yeah, let's wait. Oh yeah, gold is going lower. Making new lows. Repricing maybe the 15-minute. All right. Gold is starting to go lower. And NQ is still up here. Going lower. Still going lower. Interesting. Also, Nasdaq is interesting. Like forming this kind of structure. Well, by the way, what's the weather outside? Oh my god, it's super hot. This is gonna be one of the hottest days. I might have to turn the AC on. Dark Cloud, hey, good to see you. What's happening? What is happening? I'm located in Hungary, Europe, 80 kilometers south from Budapest. Where are you from, Sam? And by the way, thanks for joining the Discord. Again, it's a small community, but I would be glad to help you out if you have questions, or just to get to know your experience in trading and what I can help with and what are you interested in. So we will have some chat in the Discord. It was 1 degree this morning here. Oh, really? Yeah, Hungary lost yesterday. Yeah, they played good, but gotta be honest with you. Yeah, I was hoping for the team, but honestly, Hungarian football is not in its best state right now, but yes, I was hoping that the boys can make it, but yeah, let's face it, Germany is a good team as well. So Germany is very good, I think. But yeah. Went red at the start. Bali. Oh, that is awesome. From California to Bali. That's quite a change. That's quite a change. Samir. Hey, thank you for subscribing. Welcome to the channel. By the way, thanks again. That's awesome. I mean, if you guys would like to help out the stream, please push the like button. It's free to do, and subscribe to the channel. There's giveaways almost every week. There's one right now. Check out the pinned message up there in the chat. You can participate by just giving your email and name, and we're gonna pick a winner on Tuesday. I try to do one every week, but I'm not that super rich to do one every day. But yesterday we had one. Oh, actually, I have to send the money because there was an issue. Anyway, so yeah, that's it. No, I'm not in a trade. You were in Kesthay. All right. Last week, you were super close. I love Kesthay. There's some nice places there. Yeah. The X-Fire ripping. We might get good PB. Yeah. There's the new there's a press conference right now anyway at the Swiss National Bank, so that could be interesting. J-Ho is short ES. All right. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. NQ might be shifting lower too. We don't know that. Have to be patient. It's about patience. Mad voter. Are you Hungarian or you just use Google Translate? Kesthay, he says in Hungarian, Kesthay is very good. Nice place. You're in Austria, near Graz. Oh, I was in Graz. Well, a few years ago. I like Austria. It's such a beautiful place. Oh my god, Austria is just amazing. Let's write it down. Let's go, Jack. Targeting midnight open and the lows from yesterday. All right, J-Ho is very strict on this one. Remove drawings. I didn't set up the ES charts yet properly. Still on yesterday's data. So daily midnight open. All right. It's not open. Daily midnight level EST. Should be going down there. Could be. Yeah, let's hope. Let's hope. I'm German. Your wife is Hungarian. Can't speak Kichi. Kichi means a little. Little. Can't speak a little. That's awesome. I love when good people are around the stream. That's great. Good to see you guys. So let me just grab the opportunity to say, to shill the new Apex promotion, $40 for all the accounts, technically. Well, the 50K is a little bit cheaper still, but $40 for 150K, 250K, and 300K account. The lifetime activation fee, $85 extended until the mid of August. So what else do you want? The cheapest accounts in futures right now in the whole market in this size. So it doesn't get cheaper than this with 150K anywhere. It's just not gonna happen. Yo, hello Teacher FX, what's happening? You know, guys, that movie from the 90s, it's called Office Space. Office Space, you know. You guys know that, right? The boss was called Lumberg, I think. What's happening? From Office Space. Sorry, I just have to check something on YouTube. ERP Media, hey. Didn't even touch the 100 EMA on 2 minute. Oh. I just wanted to find that sound effect, but anyway. I know there is a good one on YouTube. Yeah, anyway. I'm just laughing at myself, alright. About 5 Buleanox accounts. Ho, thank you so much, ERP Media. Thank you for the support. Thank you, thank you. Means a lot. Yeah, if you would like, anyone would like to support the channel and me being here full time, please consider using one of my codes or links for these prop firms if you'd like to trade with them. Always. I'm not making a living from trading yet. I always said that to everyone. I'm not making a living, but we're trying to build up everything. I'm fighting with my funded accounts, building up those accounts to profits. I did take payouts from TopStep, but I'm not making a living from trading just yet. So the affiliate commissions is what helping me out being here full time. So if you would like to support the channel, just use the links. Thank you so much. What's going on? We have fighter jets all over the place. Gold just dropped down like crazy. It did make a structure shift, but I highly doubt that it's going to go back to the 15-minute OTE level. But you know what? Just for fun, I'm going to add an alert. If by some miracle it would go higher, I highly doubt. ES edging a little bit higher. No structure shift yet, but could be good for a short, as J-Ho said. So, yeah. Actually, I do like this structure on ES. I definitely like this structure, because if this breaks, then I could be looking for some levels. Actually, let me update my ES chart, because I totally forgot to do that this morning. That was yesterday open, and yesterday's high was that, and yesterday's low was somewhere around there. All right, so now it's accurate. So yeah, I'm gonna put an alert on ES2 so I don't miss the move. I'm ready. Fingers crossed for Jack. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, Jack. 6 account payout tonight from Apex. Come on. Congratulations, by the way. That's awesome. $40 for the 300k. Yes. The reset is still at 35 and the lifetime activation fee is 85 and it's extended until the mid of August. So Marshall, go for it. Yes, $40 and the lifetime activation fee is extended until the middle of August. This is the cheapest big size account in futures in the whole market right now. Nobody does this kind of cheap promotions right now on the big size accounts. So it's really, really down. So what you're doing instead of it, if I can ask, sure you can ask, but instead of what? Instead of, I don't know. TOPSTEP might do something today since they reached 100k subscribers. Oh yeah, I think there could be some kind of free reset or fire drill, whatever. They used to do that. They used to do that. Oh, Jack, you might be asking what I do instead of trading. Can you take multiple evaluations once with Apex? Sure. Sure. I need a free reset for my 150k eval. You have to ask support. And entry level cash requirements are your opinion to being able to live or have such an income that you can live from. It. Okay, I'm guessing you're asking about how much requirement, in my opinion, to be able to make a living from trading, or I guess that's what you require. Yeah, this is not a get rich quick, so I'm trying to figure this out since last year, and I'm still, you know, as you see, I'm struggling. That's why I'm saying, you know, obviously I was streaming a year ago, and a year ago I was streaming for many days. I was streaming for no one. So at least one payout from 10 accounts to make a living, yes, each month. That's true, Jack. That's true. If you have 10 funded accounts, you need to grind to have at least one or maybe two payouts. That's also an option to consider. Look at gold, wow. It's going down. It's going down. We are in an idiot box of 10 points. Yeah. I'm doing that. By the way, this account that you guys see on the screen, this, oh, not that, sorry. Let me change it. What did I just do? Where is it? No. Oh, I put it here. All right. So this account that I traded this morning, and I'm down about $100 right there. So this right now, this is a funded account. I'm just saying. So I'm down on a funded account $107. Yes, $107. This is a Buleanox funded account that you see here. I have other one too. I have Apex funded accounts too, but this was made on a funded account. I'm not so happy about it, but it is what it is. My TOPSTEP account, which is also a funded account, was up $2,000. I can show you. Here it is. Here's my TopStep funded account. This one only has 1,259 bucks, but I was up $2,000 and I'm down to 1,200. It's tough. I'm telling you, it's sometimes it's tough. What can you do, right? What can you do? This account is an Apex evaluation account, so I have multiple ones. Quite a few. Not talking about number of accounts, but your own money or funds streaming on YouTube, trading futures. Yeah. So let me tell you something. Yeah, Jack, very good question, and thank you for the question. I always said to you guys that I'm not making a living yet only from trading. That's the goal, to make a living from trading. From my YouTube channel, the revenue for every month I receive around $120, $130. That's what I make from ad revenue. So that's $120. From affiliate commissions, last month was my biggest. I made a little bit less than $3,000. Sorry, more than $3,000. Actually, way more. Hold on. That was the previous month. So, but I have to tell you something. I do it as a company, so I do pay tax. I have a small company formation. I pay tax. I pay rent. I pay expenses. Sometimes I pay, of course, the activation fees, evaluation fees, giveaways. I pay tax, rent, bills, food, gas, stuff like that. So to make a living for me as a full-time streamer on YouTube, I need to make at least between $2,000 to $3,000. It's not a joke, including everything, all my living expenses, all the expenses to pay out the bills, the tax, the company, the accountant, the evaluation accounts, activation fees, giveaways, software, monthly maintenance, stuff like that. If I add it all together, including food and gas to the car, and you know, I didn't even buy clothes last month that much. Buy jewelry for the fiance, you know. Anyway, between $2,000 to $3,000, I need that, you know. And it sounds good, like, oh my God, you can make this kind of money from affiliates. Yes, you can. Like, Methodical Man is even more open-minded about this one, because he always puts on a video how much he makes. But I don't. So exactly. In some ways you need to have some funds. Yes, exactly. Online safety, you're on a losing streak. How come? You're doing better. If you got 5,000 to 10,000, that's true. So, Jacques, I must say that for you to start full-time trading, streaming, whatever, the online presence, you need to have. You nailed the number. You nailed the number, Jacques. So, when I started last year, I was still working for a company. I quit that company. I can go back anytime, by the way. I was a contractor for an insurance company as a salesman for years. I can go back to them anytime I want to. I just make a call and I can go back to their business. I quit with them this year, and last year I was streaming every day as much as I could. But I was still going to visit clients and do insurance business, you know, just to make a living. But all I can tell you is that to start full-time, you have to put aside the bare minimum. The bare minimum is $8,000 to $10,000. That's the bare minimum, because you're going to have month with no profit, maybe no commission, less income, or you can go ill. I was in the hospital last year for 1 month. No income for 1 month. I was in hospital. You have to be prepared for anything. My car broke down, all that stuff. And so if you're full-time on YouTube and you're still struggling with trading, that's a risk, because prop firms can go down any moment. Any prop firm can go down any second. I don't care. Yes, I'm affiliated with them, but they can go down any second. That's how I always treat the business, because this is a business. If a prop firm goes down, I go to the next one. That's why I'm trading right now with 5 prop firms. If one goes down, all right, let's continue with the rest of them. If one goes down, the other, yeah, let's continue, because it can happen. This online business thing is so fragile, I think. Yeah, absolutely. This is so fragile, the online business. If you're not grinding every day, and I have so much negative comments. I have emails. I have DM messages on Twitter, negative messages that I'm just a scam and I'm shilling prop firms and I can't trade. I never said I can trade, by the way. I never said I can trade. Never, ever. I said I'm on the journey. This whole YouTube channel is about a journey to get to constant profitability. And I always said, if you guys can help me, I would appreciate that, because that's what keeps me alive full time here on YouTube. That's it. That's the truth. And I treat this as a business. This is a business to me, not just trading, but building up the YouTube channel. This is a job I do every day. And I am not, I'm going to say it out in a full sentence. You can cut it out and put it out the internet. I am not I'm not even a profitable trader. I am not profitable. I'm not making a living from trading, right? Because I have so much, recently since Apex has doing these new rules, I received like a dozen messages that I'm a scam, I can't trade, I'm shilling companies, blah, blah, blah. I never said I can trade. Never. I never said I can trade. Never. All right. So if I will have payouts every single month above, like, for example, my standards, if I would have on average $3,000 payouts from prop firms every single day, that would be good, but at least every single month, at least for 6 months, then I would say that, yes, I am profitable, but I'm profitable, but I'm not. I'm not profitable. I made profits. I took it out from TopStep. I made profits. But right now, I blew my accounts in March. I was super depressed, and since then, I'm trying to find my way again. And that's what I'm doing. And if you see some awesome traders on YouTube claiming to do $10,000 each and every day, that's awesome. But just, ask them how much they paid on activation and challenge fees. I know Alpine paid only a portion. I know he's a good guy, by the way. Ask how much they paid, how much they lost before. Ask how much they make on affiliate commissions, all right? Because I see so many. I'm sorry I'm ranting out. That just came out from me. I'm going to stop in 10 seconds, and that will be my finish for this rant. So many YouTubers out there who I think they're just bragging and they're not really giving you the truth, that they're making money from selling courses. I made money from selling my mini course, yes, not too much. Are you're curious how much money I made selling my $50 mini course? It's a super simple entry, exponential moving average entry model. I made $350. Yes, I'm super rich. Yes, super rich. Ask them, because I see a lot. I'm not gonna say names, but I could say names if I want to. They're bragging with all their shit. I'm sorry, I'm ranting out. And they're not honest. They're not honest. They're not telling you the truth. They're just saying, I'm the best trader. No, they're not. they're not. Anyway, that's it. I'm finished. Okay, zip it. That's it. Back to trading. I wasn't even reading the comments there. Let me just go over. I zipped it. I'm finished with the rant. I'm sorry. But that's the truth, because I had so much hate in the past 2 weeks. Both I had to ban people because I know I banned a few people because I was receiving emails and DMs on Twitter and email. And then came a few people to the channel to rant on me. So I said, all right, you know what? I don't have to listen to this. And that's why I banned a few people. That's it. I needed to. You know, being here on YouTube puts you into a pressure if you're trading. And I would say anyone who is ranting on me or anyone else who is trading on YouTube, go online, put on your trades, call it out, put on the risk, show your account, and put this on. Put on the trade. That's it. I'm sorry, I'm not reading the chat right now. I'm gonna read the chat. But put on the trade every day on YouTube, put it out, and be honest and be transparent. I will be listening. It's easy to rant. I know. Sorry about that, guys. I'm zipping it. That's it. Finished. Looking at gold. Looking at gold. And looking on ES too. Look at that. We have a structure swing low here. I still have my level down there as an alert. So I'm looking on ES. When did I start making money from YouTube and affiliate? I'm streaming since last year, but the first affiliate commission I made was in February. And my first YouTube, which was $100, I made it in March. German 15 years, we drink Palinka and train together or follow our copy. Yeah. Yeah. Slow process, yeah. Beef, influencer beef, yeah. No, I'm not gonna say names. I'm not gonna say names. That's another level. If I would like to say names, I'm not gonna do that. I'm definitely not gonna do that kind of thing. I don't need that kind of communication. Well, now, no prop firms. Yeah, trading is hard. It's hard. I had a big day on TopStep XFA on Monday, up 5,000, then limit down 2 days in a row. Yeah, you just never. Yeah, you never know what's gonna happen. You never know what's gonna happen because you know this is just, it is what it is. Sorry guys, I'm here. You got a massive amount of backstabbers. What's my location? I live in Hungary. I give you to trade American markets in the afternoon and European markets until 2:30 p.m. Yeah, that's what we try to do with Nasdaq most likely. And now I'm looking at ES2. I had my alert. This got triggered. I'm gonna be watching. Jeho was right, by the way, again. I was making a call, but I'm here. Thank you so much, Jacques, too. You're welcome. Thanks for being here. Wet Mill is back. Looks like I called a significant drawdown on gold before hitting highs. Amir, hey. Yes, I'm trading ICT. Well, I would say smart money, but yes, ICT concepts. Absolutely. Absolutely. Sometimes I do use some other ingredients. I do like to check on some support resistance levels as well sometimes. Or maybe a moving average. Why not? I'm looking on ES. Are we going to have a shift lower? But it doesn't seem like it wants to do that. Gold broke lower, so I'm going to delete my alert. Yeah, delete the alert on gold. And ES is not making a shift right now. It can still go down, but it's not going to close lower than this candle. Although, yeah, technically speaking, that's a shift. But I don't want to go in that trade. That would be a little bit high. I do need to trade for the rest of the week. Dude, you are killing it. I don't know how you do it, but ready for the New York Open gap fill reversal setup. Come on, let's go, Jack. I have still no entry. I'm still just waiting. But I think ES could go down. ES could be going down lower. Let's see if it does. It was only 3K. Not buying a Ferrari with it, but hey, 3K, I would accept that anytime. I can focus on the move. Yes, exactly. Good job there. Apex band or trades. Gap fill still okay. Midnight open price looks attractive. Oh yeah, definitely it does. Especially looks good on ES2. Gold, I think it's made the move without any retracement. This was... Look at that, wow. Not sure about ES though. What do you think in the 8:30 news will do? Well, good question. What's this? Unemployment claims, expecting less unemployment. So that could be bullish for Nasdaq. There was actually revision last time. 248 was a little bit more than expected last time. So last time they absolutely missed the number. More unemployment claims. Now they're expecting 235. If it's gonna be bigger than this, that's gonna be bearish for Nasdaq. But now everything reacts totally differently as it should. So I don't know anymore. It's hard to say. Nothing works as it should be. And overall, I think Nasdaq and ES is still super bullish. I just don't trust these levels. There would be, I mean, if I zoom it out really much on the 5-minute, there was a market structure shift here to the downside, which is great. We have two liquidity voids, one here and one up there. I would say it can easily go up. For example, right there. At least to reprice or rebalance these gaps. And then continue lower to the midnight area and to retest yesterday. We have the WAP down there as well. But, you know, should be down the sink in every aspect except the chart. Unfortunately, only trade the chart. Yeah, exactly. So I like to see ES maybe to rebalance this price here. But is that gonna be enough? That's a good question. 15-minute structure is holding though, yeah. It's holding. NQ, sorry. NQ is, let me show you NQ. Here is NQ at 20,323. That's where we're at. Yeah, the structure is still holding. It's still holding. Let's see how far is it gonna hold. The chart has broke the intraday trend line already. So if you retest, can reject. Yeah, that could happen, I guess. I'm still trying to decide if ES wants to reprice that range or not. Seems like it does. Not so optimal, but yeah. That's why I said it's just super bullish. No stopping. No stopping at ES and NQ, just going higher. Let me check on gold. Maybe if gold would, you know, shift structure, but I don't think it will. We are facing 140 handle gap from Tuesday close. It's the second gap this week already. Everybody wants to go bearish, I guess. I guess everyone is super bearish. Maverick, hey, welcome. Everybody wants to go low. You know, when it starts, it could be a massive sell-off as well. I mean, it could happen. Watching these two, but I think gold has done with the move in the London session so far. Yeah, most hated rally. Yeah, because everybody wants those shorts. Everybody wants to go short. Who knows when it's going to stop? You know, we can also go to all the way to 6,000. No, not 6,000, but 5,600. Absolutely. Today it's possible. On ES. Absolutely possible. Anyway, I don't think I'm going to look for a new entry. The kill zone is almost over. ES, S&P, Maximum, NQ, NVIDIA. Yeah, those are driving it. NVIDIA is actually killing the market with the AI and the new CPUs. So, all right. I think that's it for me for the London session. I'll be back for New York as usual. So thank you so much for watching. I had a loss, so it is what it is. But I'll be back for the New York session. Hopefully we will see some good trades. And what can I say? We had quite a few people. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Push the like button. And if you would like to support the journey and the channel, me being here full-time with you guys, please use my links and codes. There's a good sale going on again with Apex, 40 bucks for all the accounts. Check it out, and the others too, 90% BULENOX. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are awesome, and see you guys in the New York session. All right, cheers everybody. Have a good one. Take care. Love you all. All right, see you guys.